Before this video begins, let me ask you something. Have you ever read the Bible and felt that the words were too distant, too ancient, too difficult to truly understand? Not because they lack power, but because no one ever showed you what they look like. Psalm 2 is not just poetry. It is a confrontation. Power versus authority. Noise versus silence. Humanity standing before something far greater than itself. In the Bible, through artificial intelligence, we do not explain Scripture. We do not preach. We do not interpret it through churches, pastors, or doctrines. Here, the Bible is seen. Every image you are about to watch is a cinematic interpretation created by artificial intelligence, guided only by the biblical text itself. No human agenda, no religious filter, just Scripture transformed into vision. Watch carefully. Some verses were never meant to be rushed. They were meant to be felt. And when the video ends, I want you to comment just one thing. What emotion did Psalm 2 awaken in you? If this experience resonates with you, share and subscribe. It helps this project continue, turning ancient words into living images. Now, enter Psalm 2.
Why do the nations rage and the peoples plot in vain? And the peoples plot in vain? The kings of the earth rise up, and the rulers take counsel together. And against his anointed, saying, "Let us break their bonds apart and cast away their cords from us." He who sits in the heavens laughs. The Lord holds them in derision. Then he speaks to them in his wrath. There! But as for me, I have anointed my king. Upon my holy hill of Zion, I will proclaim the decree. The Lord said to me, "You are my son. Today I have begotten you." Ask of me, and I will make the nations your inheritance,
and the ends of the earth as your possession.
You shall break them with a rod of iron. You shall dash them to pieces like a potter's vessel. Now, therefore, O kings, be wise.
Be instructed, you judges of the earth.
Serve the Lord with fear.
And rejoice with trembling.
Kiss the Son, lest he be angry, and you perish in the way, when his wrath is kindled but a little. Blessed are all who take refuge in him.